In this example, let's try to predict salary based on education. Here you can see that education, though numeric, is a categorical variable with just 4 levels. Here 1 denotes high school, 2 denotes UG, 3 denotes PG, 4 denotes no education. Okay, so this is the test for determining if a variable is categoric or continuous. Ask yourself if you can compare two values and say if value 1 is x times higher than value 2. So here can you say UG is twice as much higher as high school or PG is thrice as much as higher as high school based on these values? Makes no sense, right? So then this is a categorical variable. So as we have seen earlier, regression expects continuous input and continuous output variables. So categorical input variables are converted by a process called dummy coding into dummy variables, which are also technically categorical variables, but which take only two values, 1 and 0. So that the question of comparing two values and saying this is so many times greater than this does not arise. So when you have n levels of categorical variable, you create n minus 1 dummy variables. So in our case, there are 4 levels. So we create 3 variables and we rewrite our data set like this. Now I'll create 3 columns, high school, UG and PG, followed by the salary column. So for education equal to 1, which is high school, I set high school equal to 1 and the other two variables as 0. For education equal to 2, which is UG, I set the variable UG equal to 1 and the other two as 0. For education equal to 3, which is PG, I set the variable PG equal to 1 and the other two as 0. For education equal to 4, which is no education, I set all the three variables to 0. So which will automatically mean that it belongs to the fourth category. Now we'll build a regression equation to predict salary based on these three variables. So this is our regression output. The adjusted R square is 0.67, which is a decent model. From the significance F value, we can see that the model is significant. We can see that all three variables come out to be significant. So let's write our regression equation. It will be salary equal to 7383 plus 5437 into high school plus 10231 into UG plus 12666 into PG. So you know high school, UG and PG variables can take a value of 0 or 1 only. Now if a person has studied UG, the variable UG is 1 while the high school and PG variables are 0. So in this case, the salary prediction will be 7383 plus 10231 is equal to 17614. So you can see the predictions here. Okay, so this is how dummy coding is used in regression. We'll look at another example in the next video.